Hi guys, update on our current situation here in Qatar. Actually, it has been 19 days, and so far, in God's grace and protection, we are okay here. So, just today, twice po siya nag-alert, kaninang umaga at ngayong hapon. And again, we are still continue praying na this will be finished soon, no? Peacefully. And by the way, sa mga nagtatanong, since nasa indoor lang talaga kami personally, nasa bahay lang talaga kami. And in the morning, maaga kami nagising. And then we do our household chores. It seems just normal. And then we work. Kumbaga kung ano lang yung pwede namin gawin. And then si Caro, usually nanonood siya ng series. Ako naman nagbabasa, nag-doom scrolling sa cellphone. And then after that one, we do also some exercise inside our house. Galaw-galaw din. Si Kuya Tyler naman busy with his online class. And at the same time, he's also doing his exercise. And okay lang naman so far kami dito. Pero minsan nga nakaka-bored kasi nasa loob lang kami ng bahay. But hindi naman kami pinipigilan to go out. But for safety purposes and precautionary measure, we opted to stay indoors na lang talaga. We stay inside the house na lang. So continue praying for all of us. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.